In a landmark judgment, the Supreme Court has held that all retired High Court judges are entitled to full and equal pension, irrespective of their date of retirement, mode of appointment, or previous service. The court affirmed that the principle of one rank, one pension must apply to all retired judges, calling any discrimination in pension benefits unconstitutional. A bench led by Chief Justice of India B.R. Gavai, along with Justices A.G. Masi and K. Vinod Chandran, delivered the judgment today. The court was dealing with the suo motu case as well as petitions filed by retired judges seeking clarity and parity in retiral benefits. The court directed the Union of India to pay 15 lakh per annum as full pension to retired Chief Justices of High Courts and 13.5 lakh per annum to other retired High Court judges, including additional judges. It clarified that there should be no discrimination based on whether the judge was appointed from the bar or promoted from the district judiciary. Importantly, the court ruled that a break in service between retiring from the district judiciary and being appointed to the High Court cannot be a ground to deny full pension. Further, judges who enter the judiciary under the new pension scheme are also entitled to full pension, and states must refund their contributions to NPS along with dividends. The court also issued directions for family pensions and gratuity to be paid to the widow or family of judges who died in service, regardless of whether they were permanent or additional judges. The benefits must include leave encashment, provident fund, and pension commutation as per High Court judges' Salaries and Conditions of Service Act 1954. CJI Gavai, while pronouncing the verdict, emphasized that dignity of the constitutional office demands equal post-retirement treatment.